this is my man Paul right here. He out here in Inglewood, California.
We're doing a series of different kind of projects to show you how to use the products. It's something new here to Chemical Guys. Just kind of give you some pointers and advice.
You may know our familiar faces and our location, but we're not just in Los Angeles. Chemical Guys family is growing worldwide.
It all started here in California with a dream of making the best deselling products imaginable.
You're welcome to come to Chemical Guys anytime. You got a family here.
You got a family here. You got a family here.
For the progress I did, I'm pretty happy with it.
We wanted to make something really good.
Exploring cats and dogs. Larry played Uber.
Well, what's your favorite color?
Cerulean.
Cerulean.
What's going on?
What's going on, Chemical Guys family? Hey, what's up? What's up, you guys?
And in this video,
We're just talking about some Chemical Guys stuff.
Then, yeah, we're gonna show you how to clean it up.
I'm going to show you guys how to clean, restore, and protect the leather.
Today we're going to show an example of something you can do by giving your wheels some love.
We always get the question asked, how do I clean my bag?
We just hit 1 million subscribers on YouTube.
5 minutes is all you need.
These are looking good though, I'll tell you.
Jason keeps hyping himself up that it looks good. What do I do?
Violation.
Once I was done with the bat,
Take two.
what do I do?
You watching me?
I love Chipotle.
Hello? Is there a bulb in there?
Add some to your washing it. Hi, neighbors.
Boom! We just hit 1 million subscribers on YouTube. We're gonna be doing a huge giveaway.
So we're giving you guys the opportunity of winning over $1,000 worth of Chemical Guys detailing products to one lucky winner. Woo!
So what are you guys waiting for right now? Check the description down below to see how you guys enjoy. Thank you so much.